All right, guys. Today,
I like this. Where you get this
yeah, they gave it to me over at the dealer, so I can try it out.
from? This here nice.
Yeah.
This skirt.
It looks. I mean, it looks good, right? We'll see. Hey, guys, we're gonna try the new steel. What is it called anyway? CF3 Pro.
You got a little twist.
Yeah, it's got a little twist and two different colors.
3.
It's 3.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I don't have my glasses on. All right, this was recommended by Mr. Bell. You know who you are. So if it doesn't work, it's on you. It's on you, Bell. I'm not gonna, I'm gonna just leave it as Bell. I'm not gonna leave your first name. I'm only messing with you. All right, so yeah, we're gonna use it for the rest of the day or until, and then let you know what we think about it. I don't have it on this one, but we're gonna start using it on that one. All right. Let me see. Yo, man, it ain't gone yet, man. You know, we ain't got it like that now. Hey guys, remember this property right here? We still have it, man. It's been how long have we been doing this?
Close to probably like a running.
Probably about a month and a half, right?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. About a month and a half, man. We're still doing this one, so you know. And let me ask you a question. Have you ever, here you go, starting that shit again when I'm about to. Have you ever taken a property and go ahead, man. Man, warm it up over there, man. Have you ever taken a property and you don't really want it? But then you took it and you kind of sort of are stuck with it. This is one of those, and I mean, I can talk crap about it because this is the property that's going to be for sale. We priced this property accordingly, but I honestly didn't want it, and it's because of the backyard. The backyard is crazy, man. Let me show you. Yeah, the backyard is crazy. And again, some of you guys know what it looks like, but for those who are just coming on here, this is the backyard. And it's none but weeds, man. There's no grass. Look at that steep hill all the way down. And then it has this portion here. And they have this portion here. And it's steep. Now the issue with this yard is that I guess they used to have dogs, big dogs. Because man, it have a lot of holes, man. So when you take the mower and you mowing, you have to mow it pretty high. Let me get out of his way. You have to mow it pretty high. And then for those who've done it before, have you ever tried mowing weeds high? It looks like you haven't done a crap, right? So that's the hard part about it, man. You know, I'm kind of hoping they sell this doggone house quick so we can just keep it moving. But what if the new homeowner wants us to maintain it? To be continued, right? I'll be honest with you, I don't know. It depends on where I'm at. You know, but I'll have to increase the money. Simple as that, because it takes a little bit more effort to get this yard looking good. Not the front, but it's just the back. You know, so we'll see. So yeah. Let me know in the description, guys. Have you ever taken a yard that you really didn't want, but you end up taking it, and then you got stuck with it? And so I know some people may say, you know, hey, money is money, right? But no, man. You know, we're in a business, and to be honest with you, and you know, I'm being transparent. There's easy money, and there's easier money than some money, right? Yeah. It's early morning, gentlemen. Early morning. Hey, I appreciate some of you guys. You guys suggestions in regards to my fuel mix with the Amsoil, and what I've done is I've gotten a regular mix, the synthetic from Still, and I'm going to make a new jug here, empty the Amsoil, and put the Still, and make a new batch, and try to utilize that today. Just for me to feel comfortable, because right now, I mean, I just want to make sure that I'm not mixing it wrong, or just to see. So I'm going to do that and keep you guys abreast of what's going on. But yeah, other than that, early morning, another prosperous day. Hey, work is work, right? All right, gents. I don't think I'm going to make a long video today. Nah, who knows, right? You guys enjoying these? You see, now I'm babbling. All right, gents. Let us continue. But just in case, take care of yourself, guys. Be safe out there. Make sure you wear your safety glasses. Make sure you wear your ear protection. And we do wear ear protection, guys, for those who think that we just walk around. These are noise cancellation. So yeah. All right, take care of yourself, guys. Drink a lot of water. It's starting to get warm. I know I have my jacket. Guess what, man? It's freaking 50 degrees today, and it's supposed to get up to 70. I don't know what's going on here in the South, but I'm about to take this off because right now I'm burning out. Cool. Later. All right, Q. This is your first time using that string, right? What is your initial thoughts?
I was thinking at first, man, it's just a flashy piece of string. I was just thinking, man, just look at it. It just looked like a piece of artwork.
Mm-hmm.
So, expecting something like that, you ain't gonna expect too much good to come out of it. But man, this thing can cut.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is it hardcore as far as when we what we need to edge with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to really edge with it.
Cause it's doing pretty good against the fence line, so
yeah,
I'm pretty sure it can handle up to the task.
Okay, cool. All right, gents, that's the one-time use, first time initial initial thoughts on the new steel string. Matter of fact, I need to know what the heck the name is. All right, let's keep it moving. Don't y'all hate cutting power? Man, I can't stand cutting poa. This is poa right here. Man, let me tell you guys, I love the way these Vantages cut, man. The way they cut our turf is night and day, man. Beautiful, beautiful cut. Look at that. And this is mowed at 2, I want to say 2.5. Yeah. And they're working on the front though. They'll get it there. Hey guys, I know a lot of you guys ask why Quest always wear those bandanas or face shield. And just so you know, can I tell him why? Okay, my man Quest is allergic to grass. Can you believe that? Yep. He's allergic to grass, man. And is such a freaking expert. Or a master grassologist. Alright.
Oh Lord, I can't wait to see the comments on this one.
Woo! Yeah, baby. You know you're gonna get them now.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, gents. See you on the next.
Peace.